Hey everyone, welcome to Project Melanin Beauty. My name is Nicole Webster and I am your host. I created Project Melanin Beauty to empower black women and girls to feel beautiful and confident in their skin and to define beauty by their own standards. In celebration of Black History Month, I'll be featuring 28 beautiful black women releasing one makeover video every day of the month to bring you easy, gorgeous makeup tutorials and a little inspiration as we celebrate the magic in our melanin. Stay tuned to hear what these beautiful ladies have to say about beauty, confidence, and being a black woman. How cute is Maria? Oh my gosh, she's so adorable. So we're going to start off with a little BB cream. Now she's very young, so I want to keep her makeup very age appropriate, very soft, very light, but still look polished. So we're going in with our BB cream and I'm just applying that with a foundation brush. She does have little acne on her forehead, so I'm going to apply a liquid concealer that's a little bit darker than her skin tone to cover up some of that redness, and around her nose as well where she has some redness, and then I'm going to blend that out. So using my Real Techniques, I'm just blending that concealer in, and it's going to cover her acne nicely. So now I'm going in with our translucent powder and I'm going to set her makeup. Now this translucent powder is tinted, so it does have a little bit of color, but it's still very lightweight, and it's just going to add a little bit more color and cover up the imperfections there. And I'm going in with some bronzer just to warm up her skin a bit. So going into the contour and highlight palette in medium, I'm using the highlight shade just to highlight the center of her face. We're not going to contour, we're just going to highlight. And moving on to brows. Now Maria has really pretty full brows, so I'm just going in with a clear brow mascara. And moving on to eyes, I am using the eyeshadow palette Soft Petals. And I'm just going to give her a really pretty nude eye, blending out that champagne tone on her lid, and I'm also bringing that color down to her lower lash line. Next, I am going in with eyeliner. Now I wanted to use an eyeliner that was a little bit softer than a black, so I'm going in with Tin Roof, which is a really pretty gray tone. And lastly, for eyes, we're going to apply a little mascara, and I'm using Intense Lash. Actually, I'm using Maximize Mascara. And now I'm going in with our Duo Lip and Cheek Cream, and I'm applying that to her cheeks using a sponge. You could also use a brush, or you can use your fingers, and you want to blend that out. And with the same product, I'm applying it to her lips. This is a product made for lips and cheeks. And I'm just applying that with a traditional lip brush. And this is the finished look. She looks really fresh and polished and not too overdone. I absolutely love it. Oh wow! Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Actually, it looks really good. That looks good. Thank you. I think for me, being confident is probably gymnastics, because when I do gymnastics, I get to be myself and just shine, and it makes me confident. I guess for that question, I guess I'm still figuring it out. I feel like for beauty, you should wear it for the right reasons, and I feel like now most people are
wearing it because, Josh likes me more when I wear makeup, or I look more prettier when I wear makeup. But I think that you should be wearing makeup for the right reasons, and it should be for yourself.